Hi there, I'm Dogus, and today we'll get you started with your ATOS Q. In this tutorial I will show you how to measure the top and the bottom side of a part. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you want to skip ahead. Let's get started. Until now we always measured one side of the part. Here we will get the bottom and the top side of the part, so we'll start with a new project. We will start as usual. We have our measuring volume in the middle, our distance radar on the right, so we'll start with our first scan. This will determine the exposure time and will automatically cut out the table and the background. When this is done, we can use a rotation table to make our first measurement. I will measure again in 8 steps to cover the complete 360 degrees. I'm using the automatic rotation table because it makes the scanning very easy. But of course, it is also possible to move around the sensor or to use a manual rotation table. You notice after the first scans, we already have a lot of data. This is thanks to the triple scan principle. This principle combines the data from the left, the camera, the right camera, and the projector unit, which means that we can easily scan inside deep holes or around corners. When the first rotation is finished, we can flip over the part. To make sure top and bottom can be connected to each other, I added a few reference points on the part, which will help us to align this. Since I flipped the part over, I will start with a new measurement series. I can do this by clicking on New Measurement Series. We can again use all the automatic features of the software, which means determining the exposure time and cutting out all the points that we don't need. I click on OK again, and I start with the rotation table. The blue light that you see comes from a very sophisticated light source, developed by GOM. It produces very low noise data. It works with uniform speckle-free light to get the most accurate data possible. Thanks to the automatic rotation table, we finished the scan of our bottom side very fast. Now we can combine both series on each other. The command for this is transform by common reference points, which I can find here. The software automatically identifies which points are on the part, so it ignores the points on the table and it will take all the common reference points. The result is a complete digital twin of the part. You can see the top side and the bottom side nicely transformed to each other. All that is left now is clicking on the finish flag to polygonize the data. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any issues with your ATOS Q, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more tutorials, please check out our videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.